Guys, welcome to the Alpha of channel. Today's video is going to be another interesting one. Today's video will be totally different from the videos I make every day. One thing you guys need to remember is I drop video every day and every other day, right? So without further ado, let me go straight to today's video. Today I'll be teaching you how you can start a YouTube channel on your phone without showing your face. A lot of the videos I make, I record them on my laptop, I show my face, I do introduction videos. But let me tell you something, a lot of you guys want to start a YouTube channel, but the excuse you have is, oh Alpha, I really want to start a YouTube channel, I don't have camera, I don't have light, I don't have the equipment to start a YouTube channel. I don't know where to start from. So if that is your fear, today's video is going to solve that. How you can start a YouTube channel on your phone without showing your face. As you can see this video, I'm literally recording everything with my phone, and I'm going to show you how you can start this. Now the first thing you need to do is to go to your mobile phone and you go to Google Play Store. When you go to Google Play Store, for those of you using Android device, you can go on App Store if you are using iOS. You can just look for this a screen recording tool like Screen Record. If you search for screen recorder, you're going to see a lot of screen recording tools. There are many tools here. You can pick any one you want, but me personally, I use a tool called X Recorder, right? X Recorder. That is the one I use because I think I've been using it for a while and I feel comfortable using it. Look at it, you can see that I've installed this X Recorder. I need to update it. I'll update it after this video. That is what I'm presently using to record my phone screen. So everything you are seeing on my phone screen is being recorded with X Recorder. Now when I finish with downloading X Recorder, the next tool I'm going to download is called InShot. InShot is a video editing software for mobile that me personally I love so much because I use it to edit all my mobile videos and it always comes out on point. Look at this InShot. So with this InShot and X Recorder, I can start my YouTube channel. So for those of you that are doubting, let me come to my app. You're going to see here, this is X Recorder in this place, X Recorder, and you will see InShot. Where is InShot? I have InShot. To look at InShot, below Trading View, X Recorder is on top and InShot is below, right? So I have these two tools. What you would do is when you want to create a content, you can go on to download. Let me just give you guys extra tools you can download. Now you can go on to download Google. I think there's something called Google Slides. Yeah, this is it, Google Slides. I just downloaded this too. There's an update again, and you can also download Google Docs to work. Google Docs, right? Google Slide, Google Docs, InShot, X Recorder. Now the reason I want you to download Google Slides and Google Docs is basically simple. With Google Slides, you can use it to create on-screen presentation if you want to teach something without showing your face. And with Google Docs, you can use it to write stuff that you want to read out without showing your face. For example, now let's go to Google Slides. I did a video where I talked about WhatsApp, how to build a WhatsApp contact, and mind you guys, I created that stuff with Google Slides. I'm going to play that video a little so that you guys can see. I think this was my last video on how to build a WhatsApp contact. Please just hold on, let the advert skip so that you can see. And I'm going to show you something. Now if you look at this video, now you can see on this phone screen that what I did here is just a plain screen of writing WhatsApp contact gain secret, blah blah blah. I created this stuff with Google Slides. I go on to show you everything in this presentation of this particular course, I did all of them with Google Slides. Now if you want to do this with your phone without using any stress, all you need to do is to come to Google Slides. When you come to your Google Slides, you can basically start by creating stuff and editing stuff. Now when you come to your Google Slides, you can basically see the way I'm going to create a very short video. And the beautiful thing is, as far as you're using this X Recorder tool, while you are talking, it's going to load. Once it presents, it will show a full screen, and I'll record this screen and I'm going to upload this screen. Basically that is how this thing works. Look at it, how to start a YouTube channel on your phone without showing your face, right? Now the next thing is go to Google Play Store and download your X Recorder, right? The next thing, download InShot app that you will use to edit the video after recording. The next one, create your video using Google Slides. Right now I've finished recording this video. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this record button and I'm going to end this video. Guys, I have recorded this video successfully. What I'm now going to do is I'm going to go to InShot and show you guys how I'm going to edit this video basically. And once I edit this video, I'm going to upload it on YouTube so that you guys can watch and learn. Right, if you have any question concerning this tutorial, please make sure you let me know. So I'm going to come here, I'll go to InShot. I want to record the process of me editing the video. Right, when I go to InShot, InShot is the app I use to edit videos. Now if I come to video, I'm going to click on let me just use this template. This was what I use in editing one of the videos I made recently. I think the video I made the day before yesterday about expert near affiliate marketing. You can see that I edited that video with my phone, but because I made it landscape mode, a lot of people would think I created that video on my laptop. So let's say I will just delete this, delete everything here. So do next is now I'm going to go to the video. I'm going to select the particular video I created. This is it, right? I'm going to bring it to the InShot video, and this is the video I made. So I've splitted this area. I'm going to select this area I've splitted and I'll click on delete. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do another tutorial entirely on how to edit using InShot, but this video is to just show how you can record with your phone and stuff, right? I'm going to do another tutorial on how to edit using InShot. If not, this video is definitely going to be too long, and that is not what I want in this case, right? So thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn my bell post notification on, so that when I drop interesting content you will not miss it. If you have any question whatsoever, just leave that in the comment section. I'll do well to answer all your questions. Bye for now. I love you guys. Talk to you later.